In the heart of Pakistan's toughest terrain, this massive cat wheel loader, the backbone of the site, has just met its match. A rogue, razor-sharp rock has jammed itself right into the giant tire. But not to worry. Here are the local masters of heavy machinery repair. No high-tech hydraulic lifts, no fancy factory tools, just pure grit, muscle, and centuries of combined ingenuity. Can they save this giant tire, or is it a total loss? The mechanics bring out heavy sledgehammers, iron crowbars, and a heavy-duty hydraulic bottle jack. Now the real artistry begins. Buying a new, off-the-road tire can cost a fortune and take weeks to import. In Pakistan, we don't replace, we resurrect. Now the real question is, how this tire is going to get repaired. So the tire is loaded into a pickup truck, and then it is brought to a local tire repairing shop. The damage done by rock is examined by Ustad. After deep observation, a piece of rubber is cut down to the size of the damaged area. The Ustad uses an angle grinder to clean the wound in the tire. He cuts away the frayed steel cords inside the tire. The Ustad is cleaning out the damaged steel cords to prevent them from slicing the tire from the inside. The damaged patch is cleaned well with angle grinder to make sure it looks smooth. Using a needle, the tire is sewed just like the same replica of his metal cords in it. The sewing is done both from inside and outside of the tire, to make it easier for the rubber and adhesive to hold a good grip on the damage patch and tire. First, rubber patches grind with angle grinder to make it rough for a good grip. Next, they'll apply the chemical bond and raw rubber layers. This isn't just a patch, it's surgery. Now it's time for the final touch. But there is a problem. To make sure the tire doesn't get reshaped, they apply clay on tire to maintain shape of the tire. tire is placed on a simple electric heater to make the rubber patch and chemical adhesive stick together firmly. Sandbags is placed inside the tire to put some weight and pressure on the damaged patch of tire. This is done to make sure the tire is repaired well and the damaged patch and tire get stick together well. The mechanics clamp a heavy iron onto the patched area with the heating press. They light up a traditional gas heater directly on the tire to melt the new rubber into the old rubber to make the repair permanent. They use intense heat and pressure, a process called vulcanization. The raw rubber melts and chemically bonds with the original tire structure. Under the blazing Pakistani sun, this is sweaty, exhausting work. The clamp is removed to reveal a perfectly sealed, smooth, solid rubber repair. The giant tire is rolled back to the cat loader. The lug nuts are tightened back on. Incredible! Against all odds, the giant is back on its feet. Thanks to the unmatched skills of Pakistan's local mechanics, a massive expense was saved, and the quarry is back in business. Truly, Pakistani jugaad and hard work have no match. If you loved watching this epic rescue, smash that like button, leave a comment for our hardworking Ustads, and subscribe for more extreme heavy machinery repairs.